y'all thought Icky was nasty, right? But the next part right here, it says
tell
this
me.
cake ain't gonna eat itself. Come eat it, right? That
Yeah.
was supposed to be out, but we needed to make it a little bit more.
Wait, which part? This can't gonna eat itself. Come and eat it.
Yeah.
So it got
So it was
censored.
supposed to be out instead of
Come eat it. Ow. Okay.
on some like nasty shit.
But...
Yo, card equals ass enthusiast.
Oh, it's time.
What time is it, Dre?
Before I check out NCT, the new NCT, I think it's called Broken Melodies. Y'all subscribe every 2 subscriptions. I take a bean, boozled. They're either good or bad.
Bean boozled time.
All right. Thank you so much, Sana. Wait. Cappuccino or liver and onions? Cappuccino or liver and onions? Are you kidding me? This is either gonna taste like cappuccino or liver and onions. That was vile. Oh my god, that, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like a expired eraser. I don't know how else to explain what the hell was in my mouth. We're gonna be checking out NCT. We're gonna check out Broken Melodies, NCT Dream. Without further ado, let's check out NCT Dream, Broken Melodies. Stop. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Wait, hold up. I don't owe you anything. How do I need you owe me sleep because I'm always up every day trying to follow. I'm trying to keep up with K-pop. You
one kiss is all it takes.
Zenny. Ooh, Los Angeles, that's where I'm at.
Okay.
Ooh. That edit too is fire. Ooh. Ooh. I like how this music video is turning out. It's like artsy. Let's go NCT Dream. Woo. Hey yo. Hey. Next to me. Me too. Ooh. Oh, that's fire. Hey. Ooh. Hey, yo, what is this shot right here? Aww. Why is that a mood? Why is he like, there's a bunch of football players and he's just like chilling. Why is this a mood? This is a mood right here. This is a moment. Damn. If I was in that football team, I would stop like, oh damn. Ooh. Damn, that lighting though too. Ooh, okay. Interpretive dance. Oh, I like the chorus a lot. Ooh, in the chorus. Ooh. Was this whole song in English this whole time? Was it? Chat? I'm mind blown right now. Oh no? Yep, I think so. Is it not? No. Oh, it's not. It's not. It's not. Ooh. Dang. What the hell? Are they taking us to church? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that shit different. Ah, set the whole tone differently. The vocals on this too? Boom, boom. What in the Glee Harmonies School Arts of Singing is this? It was beautiful. It was beautiful. It felt like theatrical too. No? Oh, I love it. Broken Melodies. Is it? It's single only? Is it Jump Scare SM? Yeah, I miss Jump Scare SM. Hold up. That was cool, actually. Hold up. NCT Dream. It's just a single. Okay. That was. I actually like this. Download this. Let's go NCT Dream. We out here. That was fire. Y'all better check it out. On to the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Yo, what's up, everybody? We're live on Twitch. If you haven't been live on Twitch before, come through when I do go live. Excuse you. Everybody say, what's up, YouTube? What's up, JREAMERS? We're gonna check out P1Harmony, Jump MP. P1Harmony, such a talented, hilarious group. And the fans, the P1Harmony fans are funny. They're funny, bro. Every time I see a P1Harmony like content on TikTok and just go to the comments, hilarious. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Man, F my intro. Let's just get in there. Oh, he a DJ. He said I'm a studio artist. Oh, he got a mixtape? Hold up. What is this mixtape? Damn, he got a CD player too? What? Ooh. Ooh. What is this editing? The way he said dance with me. Dance with me. I don't know, that was a terrible rendition. I'm sorry. Ooh. And a J. Woo. Hey. Go. What you pumping up? Why you pepping up the tempo, dog? Drop it like it's hot. Yeah, and your life is simple. Listen, my life is complex, sir. I like the little treadmill with the people partying. That must be kind of scary to film too.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ooh, ooh, ooh! What an interesting like film perspective too, like in the concert kind of ish. Oh, this might get lit in an actual live crowd too. Woo! Oh, he killing. AA. Oh. Hey. Ooh. Hold up, hold up. He was killing that too. Hey. Interesting edit right there. Hold up. That little transition. So I'm like, in an editing standpoint, I'm guessing, I don't know if this is all live, these people, or they were just added later. I don't know. It's quite interesting how they did this. Jump. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Hey, they getting it. I mean, obviously this is edited. Whoa, this girl jumping. You see this girl? I know in my chat. Look at, homie. Who going? Somebody better catch your ass. Look at. She jumping. That's what you call jumping. You better fly up in a bubble in space. Woo! Hey! Jump. That's like an old school, like, retro beat to it too. Well, it feels like Y2K kind of era, but also updated. Oh shit, he's preserving life. He's preserving all the life in nature. He's protecting. He protects. You okay? You need help? You okay? Hello? You need help? You need me to bring you back to Earth, or? Oh, damn. Wish I could help him. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Call me a hoe.
Oh,
not a hoe.
I am not a hoe. Don't call me a hoe. Let's go, P1Harmony. Fucking shit up with their jumping and shit. What you jumping to, though? Jumping to conclusions.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.